Tell me the dumbest mistakes I can make. I think you've mentioned stuff like spelling mistakes, right?
I'm sure they'll be impressed with your excellent computer skills.
You know why? Because if I know what I shouldn't do, then I'm going to do the right thing. So tell me what I shouldn't do.
Yeah, I don't want to say anybody's dumb. I don't want to be like, you suck at resumes. Everybody has room to grow, and that's not necessarily their area of expertise. They're computer science people or they're infosec people. But yeah, I see some pretty fundamental mistakes on the resumes. And again, this is the document, the critical document you're using to sell yourself to an organization you want to work for. And I see people send them and they're covered in typos and the formatting's screwed up. Maybe they spell keywords wrong that would be automatically searched for in relation to the job. And it's just zero attention to detail. And first of all, it's going to hurt your chances to get through screening because the resume doesn't have the information it needs to contain, or it's spelled wrong and it won't get caught by string searches. And second of all, again, biases. If you appear to have no attention to detail, that's going to impact my perception of your ability to do cybersecurity well, because our job requires a lot of attention to detail. It requires reporting, whether you're red team or blue team. It requires your ability to convey information to a customer via email and via report, et cetera. So if you are screwing up this critical one-page document that you're sending me, it's really going to color my perception of you in a negative way.
So do you think it's necessary? I think you've highlighted, getting someone, I'm going to use the wrong term, but like a resume editor or someone to go through it. Is that right?
Yes, I highly recommend that. And usually they work on a sliding scale. So if you're newer, it costs less. If you're more senior or executive, you're getting into the several hundreds of dollars for an edit, but it's pretty affordable for a junior person. I would recommend that. And I'm not talking about your college. Usually those are just volunteers and they might not know what the newest thing is. Invest the whatever that is for your skill level, the money in going to see a professional editor who does that for a living, knows what's trendy, does this full time, to look at your resume and help you rebuild it. That's worthwhile. It's a worthwhile thing for everybody to do. You think that you can write a resume well? Even I, who do resume clinics across the United States, don't write my own resume. I give them content and I tweak it to fit the technical needs of the organization I'm looking at, but I do not write the document. I have a professional editor do that. You should do both of those things. You should have a professional editor. You should come up with your own stuff that's going to go on the resume. You have to come up with that. So your work experience, your skills, etc., your education, write those down. Go to a professional editor, have them put it into a document, tweak it with them, have a dialogue with them. And then you should go find somebody like a mentor or a clinic like the ones that we run and have a person who hires people in that field look at it. That gives you the best chance of success.